This video will be a quick overview on how your catering company can use GoPrep for your online ordering and production reports. We'll start out on the customer end and we'll place an order to see some of the flexibility that we have. Then we'll jump into the back end as an admin to manage our orders and print some reports. So firstly, let's scroll down and we'll check out our packages. So packages are a way to group meals together and are really great for holidays or when you're doing large events. For example, I have this Thanksgiving Made Easy. So this is a chef's choice package. When I click select for $250, it'll automatically add a group of meals in for me, such as a whole turkey, half tray of mashed potatoes, and a full tray of stuffing. To have some more customization, we could use what's called a selectable package. So we have this traditional Thanksgiving package. And when I click on this, now I, as the customer, can make my own choices for my entree, my sides, and my style of pie. And if I scroll down, I see that this also comes with a salad and some bread and gravy as well. I just click add to bag, and I would be ready to continue to check out. Next, we have our buffet style package. What this allows us to do is to set up multiple sizes based on the quantity of people attending. So we could choose a 70-person party. Then we simply come through and make our selections, such as entrees, pasta, and sides. And when I click add, the system will automatically detect how many trays and what size trays to give for a party of this size. Of course, we would predetermine this when we build out the package, but from the customer end, all they have to do is select how many people they have and what food they want. Of course, for your a la carte meals, you have plenty of customization. You could offer as many sizes as you would like for each item. And for things like our boneless wings platter here, we could offer different sauce types. We call these components, and you can add as many components to a meal as you want to have a build your own meal type of option. So I'll go ahead and add this Thanksgiving Made Easy package, and we'll continue to our checkout page. I'll just select my delivery day here and time, and I'm already logged into my customer account, so it has my credit card saved on file. So I'll just go ahead and check out. And just like that, I'm all done. That's a $342 order in just a few clicks. From my customer account, I could, of course, always view my previous orders and update my account information like my address and my payment method. Now let's jump into the back end to see what GoPrep is like for you as the admin. Okay, so here we are in the admin end. First, we'll cover the orders page. So this is where you'll do all of your order management. Of course, you could sort by date if you want to look into the past or a specific date in the future. By default, it will always show you the upcoming week. So I'll go ahead and I'll click on this order to see what this customer is getting. And straight from here, I could do things like making an adjustment. So maybe the customer changed their mind about something. No problem. Simply click adjust. We'll view the menu as if we were a customer. We can make that change. Click next. And then we just click update. Also, straight from this screen, we could do things like issuing refunds or adding an additional charge to a customer's order. Last but not least is the ability for you to enter orders for the customer. So we'll simply click create manual order. We'll view the menu as if we were a customer and we'll make some choices here. And now at checkout, we could simply search for an existing customer and it'll pull them up with their credit card on file, or we could add a new customer and we'll go ahead and create that order. When we place that order, you'll notice that a packing slip appeared. So you'll be able to print these individually or in bulk, and this will serve as a great receipt or even as a bagging report for you to include with all of your deliveries. And you could even include heating instructions for each item right at the bottom. So now that we have all of our orders, one of the most important next steps is, what do I need to cook? Well, all you need to do is come to your production page, and we could go ahead and sort by date. And you can see here, it gives us a full list of everything that I'm going to need to make. It'll give us the quantity, the sizes, and the item, even if there's different variations, such as the boneless wings platter having buffalo sauce, we'll know exactly what needs to be made. Now, if you have a big kitchen, you could take this one step further and separate this into different production groups. So maybe you have one chef that handles all of your fried foods. You could print out a report for him. And then you have another chef that handles all of your salads. You could print out a report for him. So everyone could have their own reports and know what they're responsible for. Next, we have ingredient reports. So if you assign certain ingredients to a certain meal, we'll be able to keep track of those ingredients and exactly how much you'll need to prep and shop for based on the actual order count. You can keep track of important supplies, such as how many trays and serving spoons you'll need. And of course, you'll have a full financial report with breakdowns of everything you could possibly need, and everything is always available to be exported to Excel. Our marketing page allows you to do a number of things, such as creating promotions. So these are things such as an automatic discount, such as free delivery when an order is $200 or more. We can create coupons. You could sell and create gift cards. You could add meals as upsells and cross sales. And we could even create customer surveys that automatically get emailed to the customer after an order to see how their experience has been. And you can customize exactly what these questions are and even ask them to rate the food on a scale of 1 to 10. And with that, that's a very quick overview of some of the features that we could offer. Of course, there's a lot more depth that we can go into. Be sure to check out some of our other videos. And if you have any questions, just shoot us an email at help@goprep.com and we'll be happy to help you.